In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a knowledge base in Zoho Desk in just a few simple steps. A knowledge base lets your customers find answers quickly, saving you time and improving support efficiency. Start by logging into Zoho Desk and clicking the knowledge base module on the left menu. To add an article, click Add Article at the top. Give your article a clear descriptive title and use the rich text editor to add content. You can format text, add bullet points, attach files, embed links or videos and include images or diagrams for clarity. Next, categorize your article so users can easily find it and set its visibility, agents only, registered users or public. Add tags and SEO metadata to help with search and set an expiry date if the information is time sensitive. Finally, choose the status: publish now, save as draft or send for review. And that's it. With these steps, you can create a helpful, organized knowledge base in Zoho Desk that keeps your customers informed and your support process smooth.